Hey guys, I'm back in the kitchen. Okay, if you watched my oxtail video and you enjoyed that, please subscribe because today I'm going to do jerk chicken. But it's going to be jerk chicken with a bit of a twist. I'm going to do jerk chicken with a honey garlic sauce on top, okay? And trust me, it's going to be amazing. I did it the other day with pork. Oh. Next video I'll do the pork one, okay? And I'll just show you how beautiful it looks, how beautiful it tastes. So, first and foremost, when you're cooking with chicken, clean your chicken, okay? I don't care who you get it from or where you get it from. Clean your chicken. Give it a nice rinse. Rinse it with some vinegar just to make sure it's nice and clean for you. You don't know who's been handling it, okay? All right, let's get into our ingredients. So let's start with our jerk seasoning, okay? So for my jerk seasoning, you can get a jerk seasoning from anywhere, really. This is just a jerk seasoning a friend of mine makes, okay? They make their own brand here. So you can use any jerk seasoning. We have our browning, seasoning salt, ground cloves, and some nutmeg. Okay? For my honey garlic sauce, we got some corn syrup here. We got some sugar. We got our honey. And we got 2 cloves of garlic. So let's get our jerk seasoning open here. And I'm going to scoop out 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. We're going to put a tablespoon of seasoned salt. We're going to do a tablespoon of browning. Okay. Ground clove. We're going to do like 1/4 teaspoon, okay? And nutmeg, we're going to do about 1/2 teaspoon. And we're just going to mix it up. That's about all you need. We got our corn syrup here. Okay, just 1/2 cup there. Next is a tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of honey. And of course, we're going to have our garlic. This one's a little smaller, so I'm happy because I found some soy sauce. So you're going to put just a tablespoon. Looks like I'm putting 2, but only because this spoon is full of honey. And you're going to mix that in there. Okay, so now it's time to season our chicken. We are going to take our jerk seasoning, okay, and we're going to put it right in there. Get this jerk all over our chicken. Just kind of massage it in there, you know. You got your frying pan ready. You're going to put your stove on high, and you're going to put your pieces of chicken in here. Okay? So we don't have to cover that up. Any excess sauce you have inside your bowl, you pour that right over. No wasting here. So you're going to keep the stove on pretty high because you really want this to just brown, right? While your chicken's cooking, it's a good time to do your cleaning. I mean, why have a dirty kitchen when you're just waiting for stuff to cook anyway, right? Keep a clean kitchen, man. That's what I say. So we got our chicken nice and brown. Let's move on to the next step. So now we got our roasting pan. I got my oven on 300. So we're going to take our pieces. Okay, so I have my chicken in my roasting pan. I got my oven on at 300. It doesn't have to be crazy high. 300 is good. We're going to cook it for about 25 more minutes, okay? 25 more minutes before we put our honey garlic glaze on, okay? So we're going to cover it up and stick it in the oven. Okay, so our chicken's been in the oven for about 25 minutes. We're going to take off our cover, okay? And at this stage, we're going to start applying our honey garlic glaze, okay? And you're just going to take dabs of it and put it right on the chicken. Get a brush to help spread it a little bit. But now we're going to put our oven on broil. Normal's fine, but you can also do high. So you can take it out of the oven again. Apply more of your glaze. And you're going to put it back in the oven to broil for another 5 minutes. So 10 minutes in total, okay? 5 minutes for the first time you apply, then 5 minutes for the second time you apply. But you got to keep an eye on it because in the broil cycle, it really cooks really fast and it could burn your chicken, all right? Man, that looks good. That's nice and brown. So let's take it out. I'm going to take the chicken from the roasting pan and put it in my favorite casserole dish here. There's enough room for all the chicken. Now, if you find it's not salty enough, you can always add a little bit of seasoning salt. Just sprinkle it onto the skin and it'll absorb it because it's nice and moist. And that's it. A honey garlic jerk chicken. And it tastes amazing. Trust me, try it. All right, guys, so that's it. We got our jerk chicken with a honey garlic glaze and it looked amazing. All right, so please subscribe, please share. I'm not making that YouTube money yet. I really would like to start making that YouTube money. So subscribe, share, and you know what? Just stay in the kitchen and do your thing. Hopefully you enjoyed this today. The next episode, I'm going to be doing the same thing but with pork. And the results, let me tell you, it's going to be beautiful. All right? All right.